Speculation surrounding Michelle and Barack Obama's marriage has reached new heights following reports that the former First Lady will not attend the upcoming presidential inauguration. The buzz started when Michelle was absent from two key public events and escalated after a statement confirmed that Barack Obama would attend alone. A statement from the couple's office confirmed Barack Obama's solo attendance at the 60th inaugural ceremony, an event traditionally attended by former presidents and their spouses. Other past leaders, including George W. Bush and Laura Bush, are expected to be there, making Michelle's absence even more noticeable. The former president has previously discussed the challenges in his marriage, notably in his memoir, A Promised Land, where he described an undercurrent of tension during his presidency. Michelle also opened up about their struggles on her podcast, admitting, "There were times I wanted to push Barack out of the window." Barack and Michelle Obama first met in 1989 while working at the Sidley Austin law firm in Chicago. Their professional relationship soon turned romantic, and they married in 1992. They have two daughters, Malia and Sasha Obama. While rumors of divorce continue to swirl, neither Barack nor Michelle has officially addressed the speculation. Until they do, the public remains divided on whether this is a temporary rift or a sign of something more serious.